paying $20 for a better view, but ending up with handcuffs and a criminal record. This woman believed she had bribed security for a restricted spot, but when the police arrived, her excuses meant nothing. A classic mistake regarding the right to remain silent and a misunderstanding of Miranda rights turned a minor dispute into a felony battery charge. Was she a victim of an abuse of power or just the victim of her own stubbornness?
Are you gonna trespass? Hey, don't do nothing until you say we're gonna trespass.
I wasn't gonna go to my seat, but listen to me. Can you just listen? All of these.
No, we don't work like that.
No,
You're
I'm not
trespassing
gonna
or you don't?
leave.
You're gonna trespass?
If you trespass, then we can take you out.
Yo, but can you guys listen to
Stop
me?
yelling. Just stop yelling. Let him
I'm
take you
trying.
out.
The only reason I'm yelling is because of the concert.
Okay, let's move over here.
Let's go over there. Let's talk.
All I'm trying to say is like you guys should come at me and my friends who are standing right there. When there's a whole group of 5 people doing the same thing, I'm not yelling at
There's a
you.
different way to go about it, right? So right now, what you doing to him is
What am I doing wrong?
You're gonna let me talk, or you're gonna keep cutting me?
I'm not cutting you off. I just want to know what I'm doing wrong to get trespassed. That's crazy.
You have 2 choices. You're gonna go back to your seat, or you're gonna get trespassed. Which one is it gonna be? Which one is it going to be?
Why are you talking to me like this? I didn't do anything
Are you
wrong.
gonna go back to seat, or you're gonna get trespassed?
Sir, I didn't do anything
Are you
wrong.
gonna go back to seat, or you're gonna get trespassed?
Are those people getting
Are
trespassed?
you gonna go back to your seat, or you're
Listen,
gonna get
there's a group of...
You guys are trespass, correct?
I'm not doing anything
we're gonna
wrong.
take
No, no,
right now.
no.
No! What the fuck?
I'm not doing anything wrong. No, I'm not doing anything wrong. I'm not doing anything wrong.
Hey!
Yo, I'm not doing anything wrong. Yo, y'all are being mad aggressive. I'm not doing anything
I
wrong.
gave you options, and you don't want to take the options, right?
Okay, but I'm just trying to tell you. I'm trying to tell you. You want to trespass me, trespass the other 5 people doing the same thing as me. Yo, I'm not doing anything wrong. All I simply ask you guys.
You got an ID on you?
Yes, I have ID.
Can I see it?
Bro, no. Until you answer my question, you're not seeing shit. All I simply ask you, you gotta.
I'm not being designated.
It's not back and forth. I asked you a simple question. I'm not doing anything wrong. I asked you. No, I asked a fair question. Y'all want to tackle me, bro. I didn't do shit. No, because you guys are looking at me like I'm drunk as fuck. I really didn't do shit. I'm just trying to talk to you
Listen,
guys.
we tried to talk to you multiple times.
I did. All
I got my body cam, don't worry about it.
That's fine. I want that.
Okay.
I want that. I really do. You're not going to treat me like I'm a fugitive. I didn't want to sit down. All I wanted to do was stand at the rim. I did nothing wrong. Ma'am, I did nothing wrong. These guys are not listening to me. I didn't do anything wrong.
We're gonna have a conversation in a minute.
I wanted to have a conversation from the point, but can I see, please? Mr. Wheeler and Mr. Franco. No, it wasn't Franco. It was Aurora. They don't want to listen to me. When I walked up 203, 204. Is this recording?
Yes.
Please, thank you. I use this for the court case because it's ridiculous. I walked up to 203, 204. My tickets are 204Q. Right? I asked the bouncer, I said, hey, 204Q is very high up. Can we stand right here at the rail? He said, that's fine. If you want to stand here, though, it's going to object other people's views, so I need something to tell them to calm down. I said, whatever you need, I got you. I got cash. He said, give me $20. I'll keep him calm. I handed him $20. Whoever the security was in the yellow shirt, I handed him $20 in 203, 204. And he told me, that's fine. Then this gentleman right here in the bucket hat walked up and said, you can't stand here. I said, I just gave this gentleman $20 to stand right here. If I can't stand right here, can I please get my money back so I can go to my section? And when I went to him and asked for my money back, he said, that's not a possibility. And I was like, listen, you just told me if I can stand right here, it's $20. Like, I'm not trying to make a scene for anybody. I barely had anything to drink. I just want to have fun at this concert. He said, listen, whatever you gave me is whatever you gave me. If you can't stand here, you can't stand here. And then all of these officers walked up telling me to go to my section. And the second I tried to explain that to Mr. Wheeler and Mr. Aroro, they didn't want to hear the explanation. I wasn't trying to argue and go back and forth. I just wanted my money back. Give me my 20, I will go to my fucking section. That's it. Like, I didn't do anything wrong. I did nothing fucking wrong.
Relax for a second, okay?
No, because this is ridiculous. I didn't do anything wrong. I was just trying to have a conversation, but these two guys are too high in power that they don't want to listen to a fucking person trying to talk to them. I did nothing wrong. I'm not a problem. I'm not. I did nothing fucking wrong. I'll go to court. I don't care what it takes. I did nothing wrong. And people being in power because of whatever reason, it's not my fault.
You're talking to me right now, right?
I am.
I'm the supervisor on this side of the thing.
I appreciate you
Let me
actually
figure
having
out
a
what's
conversation.
going on.
I did nothing
So can you just
wrong.
relax for me for a few minutes? You guys just hang out. That way she can.
Yeah. I walked up, told me they were standing in the aisle.
Yeah.
Show me your ticket. So I'm at 12 Q. I said, now, she's up there. She said, I just gave Usher $20. You need to stand here. I said, okay, then we go get the Usher. I was trying to calm her down, trying to calm her down, go back to the seat. At that time, Usher came back, and I said, look, if you give this woman her money back. He went in his wallet, gave the woman, gave her $20 back.
Gave her $20 back?
Gave her $20 back. Alright, so at that time, officer said, man, go back to your seat. She would not stop arguing. She had a drink in her hand. Took her out to the popcorn, and she started swinging around, and that's what she did her wrong. And alcohol she had in her hand. That's when they took her down and placed her in the box.
Okay.
She got it over.
So, are you guys willing to press charges for the trespass?
Well, trespass.
Or are you willing to press charges?
Correct.
Give me 1 second.
I did nothing
You
wrong.
talked about nobody read you your rights earlier. We're going to read it to you so I can ask you questions
Yeah,
specifically
but
about what happened.
you have physically already arrested me before my rights were read, so you
You were
bring them
detained. We
down.
never said you were arrested.
You told me I was under arrest. You did. You
So-
said if I don't comply with your orders, I'm under arrest, and you did exactly that, and it's
Okay.
on your body cam.
So, reading your rights, we don't
I
listen.
didn't do
Shelby,
anything
listen, I
wrong.
want to explain something to you for a minute. I don't have to read you your rights until I want to ask you questions about something that you're accused of doing, okay?
I didn't do
So,
anything wrong.
He's going to read them to you, and then I'm going to ask you some questions, and then we'll
I
get
will not
everything
answer
clear.
any questions. I will answer questions, and then Miranda rights can be read.
We
That's
can't do
not how it works.
Well, you guys have physically already arrested me. It's past detained, because detained means you lock me up and you question me beforehand. I am now in a physical point where I'm not able to leave. I have no freedom of nothing. I am arrested at this point. I'm in your guys' legal obtain. So you reading me my rights right now is not changing when your officers should have read it out there.
That's not, we don't have, listen.
You
rights-
reading them now is
do
not
you-
changing
do you want to,
anything.
you don't want to talk then?
I do want to talk because this is bullshit. I did nothing
All right, so Shelby, what
wrong.
I'm trying to explain to you is,
I
random
didn't
rights are
listen.
read when you're going to get asked questions. They're not read when you get put in handcuffs.
Your officers should be some decent human beings to the point where they want to have a conversation. But then you
Shelby,
guys are arresting me, so
Shelby,
what's being
listen,
kept off of me?
I want to ask you questions about that, but I can't until I read you your rights. So you let me read them
No,
to you so I
because
can ask.
you reading me my rights is agreeing to me being under arrest. And
No, it's not.
Miss Brinkley,
Shelby,
I did
listen.
nothing wrong.
It's not
I
agreeing
did
to you
nothing
being-
Talk too
wrong.
much already.
I did nothing
Alright,
wrong.
Listen, now you are officially under arrest, okay? I'm gonna have you step up and I'm gonna escort you to my car.
No, because why are you being so aggressive, Mr.
Because we gave you
Aurora?
multiple tries to
No,
try to
but
talk to you,
you've
but you
been
continue to ignore
you've
us.
been this aggressive from the point because I tried to talk to you
Okay.
when you came
Do
down
you
there.
wanna talk to
when
us?
you came down there, I tried to tell you if you want me to go to my section, that's fine. The people to the right of me, there was 5 people that were standing at the rail, but direct
Can I
those
read you your rights so
people.
we can have a conversation?
But you're not listening to me. You're not listening to me because it was a simple conversation from the point. But you wanna you wanna be so aggressive with your power for no reason. I'm not the problem.
Okay.
I'm
Can I read you your
not.
rights so we can have a conversation?
No, sir.
Okay, so then let's stand up.
I didn't do anything
Can we stand
wrong.
up, please? I don't wanna-
I didn't do anything
we stand up,
wrong.
please?
You guys want to read me my rights because you realize that you missed the point
No,
when
I have a
arresting
question
me.
for you.
Can you? Okay,
So,
ask
the
the question, ma'am.
We cannot
I
ask
can't
questions without reading your rights.
Yeah, but you arrested me before reading my
Shelby,
rights.
you
Not
are
once.
detained.
Shelby.
You never said that, and I want the body camera footage of that
All right,
because
stand up.
not
Let's go.
once did you say I was detained. Like, this is ridiculous. I did nothing fucking wrong.
Here, come over here, do it.
You don't want to question me for what? I did nothing wrong. Y'all got people out here that are sticking in real shit and you're worried about me. I'm not the problem. Abuse of power and it'll get brought up in court. This is ridiculous. This is fucking ridiculous. I did nothing wrong. I asked you if you want to treat me like this, the people to my right, can you treat them the same? And y'all got mad that I brought that out to your attention. This is fucking ridiculous. Can you please get your hands off me?
I got it. I'm trying to escort
You can guide me without your hands on
No,
me.
I have to escort you. I have to.
Can I, Miss Brinkley, can I please have your hands on me versus him?
Switch up.
Get further
I'm gonna
back.
count your money for you, okay?
The second you are arresting somebody is the second you need to read that person via
Miss Shelby,
Miranda rights.
can I
Because
count your money
it was
for you?
never explained.
Can I count your money in front of you?
It was never
Okay,
explained.
10, 20, 1,
You're
2,
not
3,
listening.
4,
And this is
5,
the exact-
6,
this is
7,
the
8,
exact
9,
point.
10, 11. Yes, $31, okay?
Why are you so... But I didn't do anything wrong. Seriously, this is a mistake. I did nothing fucking wrong. Okay, but why am I being arrested for the fact that this bouncer was trying to get a quick off? This is not my fault. No, I'm not going to jail. I did nothing wrong.
You are going to jail.
I did nothing wrong. I was just trying to see Shakira and have
Shelby,
a
listen,
good
we're gonna
day.
give you one more opportunity to get inside the car,
I don't
okay?
want to talk to you, sir.
Shelby,
I really don't.
For me, I need you to get into the
Ma'am,
car.
I didn't do anything wrong.
at this point, we are past that point, Mama.
But you guys aren't listening to me. I didn't do anything wrong. You guys want to have a conversation? I've been explaining myself
We have
for
heard
the
you.
past 15
But the
minutes.
problem is you're not listening to us when we try to tell you stuff. That's why you're at
You
this
got
point.
all you guys have told me is you're under arrest. You haven't
The
explained what
officer told you to go
for.
back to your seat.
What
You need
am
to
I
go back
under-
to your seat.
And I told
you're
them-
going to jail for resisting
Resisting what?
an officer. You're
I
going
didn't
to jail.
resist anything. That's
You're
on the body.
going to
That's
jail
on the
for
body camera.
trespass now too.
I'm not trespassing.
They asked you to. They told you had to go back to your seat.
No, ma'am.
Alright, Shelby, I need you to get in the car. We have to
ma'am,
go.
I didn't do anything.
I need you to get inside the car.
Nothing. All I asked for was my
Alright, Shelby, let's
$20
go.
back by your
Let's go.
law enforcement that was scheduled to work here. The bouncer, yo, stop pulling on me.
He's gotta get you in the seat.
But I did nothing wrong. I'm not a problem. I asked you guys, give me my $20. I'll go to my section. I didn't.
Charges: battery on an officer, resisting without violence, and trespassing. Outcome: felony charges dropped, case officially closed months later. The lesson: never argue about Miranda rights during a detention. Let your lawyer handle that in court.